Hello all. Ratios and proportions is a common area that gets tested in most of the entrance exams, and PO exams are not an exception. We normally tend to have a few problems based on ratios and proportions in PO exam too. Now in this video let us try to solve a simple ratio based problem so that it would be useful to solve similar problems when they appear in the exams. Let us read the example. In a bag, there are 50 paise coins, 25 paise coins, and rupee coins, and they are proportional to the numbers 3, 4, and 2.5. If they amount to rupees 210, then what is the number of rupee coins that is there inside the bag? Now this question is fairly simple, that we have three types of coins inside a bag, and these coins are in the proportion of 3:4:2.5. And we are also given an information saying that the total value of these coins put together will form 210. Now to solve this kind of a question, the first and foremost thing that we will do is to frame this question in form of an equation, a simple equation. Let us say that we call the 50 paise coins, the number of 50 paise coins as 3x, the number of 25 paise coins as 4x, and the number of rupee coins as 2.5x. Now where am I getting this 3x, 4x, and 2.5x? It's the proportion that is given in the problem. We know that these coins are divided in the ratio of 3:4:2.5, and therefore 3x should be the number of 50 paise coins, 4x should be the number of 25 paise coins, and 2.5x should be the number of rupee coins. And we also know that the sum of all these three will be 210. That is 2.5x plus half into 3x. Half here denotes 50 paise, that is half a rupee, into the number of coins, that is 3x. And similarly for 25 paise, 1/4 into 4x. That would be the value of all the 25 paise coins inside the bag. So they add up to rupees 210. Now it is just a matter of simple addition. We know that 2.5 can be expressed as 5/2. Half into 3 is 3/2. And with an LCM of 2, this would add up to 10/2, which is 5. So 5x is rupees 210, and therefore x is 42. Now wait a minute. Now don't hurry up and mark your answer as option A, 42, because we will have to carefully look at the question. The question is asking for the number of rupee coins. It's not asking the value of x. The value of x is something that we have found so that we will be able to find the number of rupee coins. Now the number of rupee coins according to us is 2.5x, which is 2.5 into 42. That would be 105 coins. So 105 coins is the number of rupee coins, which is our right answer. So this kind of problem, as you saw now, will typically just require you to come to an equation where a stage will come in which you identify that there is one variable which is the unknown, and that has to be solved. So once that is arrived at, we can manipulate to arrive at the exact answer. Say for example, if the question were to ask the number of 50 paise coins, instead of 5/2 into 42 in the last step, we would have just multiplied 3 into 42, and we would have arrived at the answer. Similarly, the number of 25 paise coins, or similarly the total number of coins, whatever the question may be. Once we find out the unknown variable, that would lead us to the right answer. Now before we move on, here is a quick question for you to try. In a T20 series, average scores of 3 cricketers, A, B and C, were found to be in the proportion 8:5:3.5. If there were totally 6 matches in the series, find the total score of all the 3 players in the series, given that C alone scored a total of 105 runs and all 3 players played in all the 6 matches. Solve this question. This one is fairly simple, and I would love to see your answers as comments. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more.